In this video, I'm going to show you how you will predict VIX75 index, its price movement like a pro trader. What is going on, superstars? It's you boy trader Dives, AJ Kelly Salongo. So if you really want to master this VIX75 index, go on and stick around with me up the end to understand a step-by-step process. Without further ado, let us jumping in to the process. Okay guys, we are on a daily time frame as the Deriv TradingView giving us our high time frame. So we will start by making our analysis. As well, we can see that now our market today, when we are here, we see that the market is playing around this area, and then it's also playing around this area, which means if we can look very well, guys, that the market in a daily time frame, we are like on consideration, we are like on a ranging market. We are not going more than this 96 and more than this 109, because we are on this ranging market, which means we will look the setups around this area and we look the setup around this area, which means when the market comes around this area, we have to sell. If it comes around this area, we have to buy, because it is still on a ranging market until it breaks above to go higher, or it breaks down to go lower. So after knowing that we are on a ranging market, we have to diving into our low time frame. Our low time frame, that is what? That is minute 15. Minute 15, now we can see that even though we are on a ranging market, we have to get a good bias, so that because we are going to be what? We are going to be scalping. We don't need to stay in the market for a while more than 3 hours. So we have to look our daily bias. Our daily bias, we always follow the color of the candlestick daily, the daily color of that candlestick. If the daily it is green, we have to look for the buy. It is our what? Our bias. If it is red, we have to look for the sell. So what we have to do, we get our vertical line and we mark this present, or how do we call it? Okay, we call this the present one, the present candle. We mark like that, and then we look our what? Our vertical line like that, so it does not move anywhere. And then we know this, it is our ranging market. We have to delete them because we have already got what? We have already understood it. So the next step, what we have to do, like always, we dive into minute 15 or minute 5. Let us start with the minute 15. When we come here on minute 15, we have to look something like this. We see that here now, where we are at this time, we can see that we have exactly here where this was what? This side it is a closing market, and this side it is what? It is our opening market. So after seeing that, we know where to start from. When we wake up in the morning and we mark our day, after marking our day, we have to look something look like this. This is how we have to look. We have to wait, because the day it is for buy. We have to wait the market go up like that, come down, go up like that, come down, go up. Are you getting the point? So there it will be around like at 3, at 4, at 5 a.m. in the morning. So the market will start to pull down like that. We wait the market pulls down. So when it reached at what? At 7, at 8, at 9, we want to see this happening in the market, something like this. So if this happening at around 9, at around 9:30, at around 10, now we want to see this happening. So if it is happening in the market, what we want to see, we want to see that the market take this low. After taking that low, and it comes take this high. So when the market after taking that high, now it will be our time to do what? To look for the setup So this is going to be our setup here. So what we have to do, we have to highlight this low here because it is taken out after that, and then we highlight this high here to where the market take it off, and then it takes it off. After that happen, we have to come and find this sniper entry here, this left shoulder, or we find the order block, guys. So when this happened, after finding the order block here, that will be our entry point. We wait the market to come from this side, come and doing each and everything what it needs to do, taps inside of our order block, and then we move it up. We target this area here. Is going to be what is going to be our TP, like that. That is what we need. So this, it is the way how we can predict and we can master where the next price movement is going to go. So why do we understand that now this VIX75 is going to go up, is going to go down? One, we have our daily candle. If we come back here on a daily time frame, you can see very well that we have our daily bias. It is what? It is a green candle. So if we have our daily bias and it is a green candle, that is showing us that the market is going to go up. So when we come back to minute 15 and we want to take an entry, we have to look for the buy opportunities. What we have to do, we have to look at something set up like this. So if you can see that if this has not happened, we will not rush to catch the market. So that is only what we will want to be looking in the market. That is only what we want to be always see in the market. If that does not happen in the market, for sure we will not trade that for the day, because we will not be knowing where the market is heading. So now today you can see that today we had exactly this. We didn't have a good low in M15. We didn't get something what we wanted. But as well, you can see here, after market opening around here, we moved, we reached here, is when we started going down. So this is what we want, this one, the pullback. So if we get this pullback, that is will be our setup. In the morning at 3, at 4, at 5, the market will be making here high highs and high lows. So by the time it reaches at 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, the market will start making the pullback. So this pullback is going to be our setup. So if you can see very well at around this area, so when the market did that setup, so what we had to do, something what I have already shown you on our setup, what we want to be looking for. So if you can see very well at around this region here, you can see that the market made a lower low and a low high in minute 15. So this is what happened. You can see here the market made here a high, made a low here, it made a high here, came made a low, made a high here, come and made a low here. You can see that this is lower than this. If we put a line, you can see this takes off this, so this is a low here, and then this was already taken off, so we wait this also to be taken up. You can see also the market get what takes this up. If takes that up, we can see here we had a favor gap. That's what the market came and tapped in, but this side it was not what it was not touched. So could we miss this setup, or we could take it? There are two things. You can miss the setup rather than making a loss. So if we can see that very well, when this happened, if we get our setup like this, so what we have to do, we have to highlight our killer zone. So we can see that where is our order block. We can see that this indecision here, it was our last selling candle, because it is the high. We find the high, the candle that it is the last to be high down and the last and to be to be taken out. So this is our order block. We mark it exactly from the wick there, like that. That is going to be our order block, like that. So if we mark that and then we take that to the left, are you getting the point? So if we take it to the left like that, we wait the market to come and tap into that region. You can see that the market didn't come and tapped in, but we have managed to predict our market that it's going what? It's going for the buys opportunities. So let us move from that. You can see that we had what? We had a bias that we were right. We managed to predict where the market is heading. You can see that all day the market have spent it making the high highs and high lows. So our strategy is that the market, if it's making the high highs and high lows, we have to catch the continuation and we move on. That is it, guys. Are you getting the point? If you don't have the bias, you can't know where the market is going. You can either sell, you can either buy, because you don't know exactly where the market is heading. Are you getting the point? So that is how we have to be knowing exactly where this price is moving. That is an example one. Let me take you back to the daily time frame and also show you another example, guys. So if we can come back here on a daily time frame and we get another line, so we are going to mark the yesterday like this. This is our yesterday, and yesterday it was what? It was a red candle, which means we had to look a sell opportunity. We go to the low time frame. That is what? That is minute 15 or minute 5. What will be good for you? It is what you will use according to you. You can use either minute 5 or minute 15. So if we can see very well here, and then we had what? We had very well our setup, and it happened. When you come here, you can see that the market made the low, made the high, made the low, made the high, and then it comes exactly around this area. If you can see that this was our pullback, what we wanted, and the low here was taken high. Here they took up this low, and then they took up this also structure. Are you getting the point? So this was taken off. So after that getting taken off, so we had to look this area here, guys. So this is our what? Our sniper entry. So sorry, this is our order block, like that. Are you getting the point? This was our order block, and then we do like that. After doing like that, you can see that the market came very well and tapped in, but unfortunately our stop loss was what? Was hit. But even though the stop loss was hit, but the market after hitting came, tapped in, moved down a little bit, and then comes what? And hit our stop loss, but comes to what? To our direction. Do you see? We managed also to predict the direction. Even though our stop loss was hit, we managed to predict our exactly the direction. It is a sell. We had a sell opportunity. Are you getting the point? So if we could have not taken this exact market at around this area, are you getting the point? So I want to show you how we could take it in minute 5. Let me take you to the M5 and you show you how you could take this yesterday opportunity as you were selling. Are you getting the point? So now we are on M5. We do something as the same. So if we can come here, we can wait as what? As the same way. We see that the market here started making the high. We broke this low here. I get in the point. We broke this low. This low, after breaking that low, and then we wait. They break this high here. It was broken out. So and then we try to find our order block in M5. So this is going to be our order block from here to this candle. Just buying candle like that. We put it here like that. You see? So that is what? That is our order block. you can see that the market didn't come in minute 5 to our block to tap in. When here it taps in for the first time and then pulled back down, it didn't die, but here it comes and tapped in and then moves a little bit and come hit the stop loss to take off this high and then comes back to our side. Are you getting the point? Even though stop loss was hit, but we were right, the market went to our direction. That's where the risk money management comes in. Are you getting the point? So always you have to risk small and then you gain big. Are you getting the point? So tomorrow you can come. That is only the game. You don't need to risk all of your money at the same time. Are you getting the point? You don't need to risk all your money at that same time. If you have any question, guys, don't hesitate, go on and drop it down there on a comment section. And if you have learned something, smash that like button and go on and hit that subscribe button so you don't need to miss this volatility 75 tips at any time when we drop out a new content like this. So guys, any successful trader does not need 100 setups in a single day. You just need one single trade, so we make him or he to be successful. Catch up to the next time. Peace.